Approaching Valley. Approaching Valley on mission.
Oh, there's two coming, so. Every hour? Damn. Oh, here is 270. There we go. Go. Just about to say. I've never seen this movie. AirPod Pro. Brand new property right here. What do you say you call them? Townhouse? It looks like apartment, but it's like the units like three storage units. So it must be townhouse. It's a brand new right here. You gotta pay HOA though. For sure you gotta pay HOA on these. Trash fees, all the other fees that HOA require. A lot of fees now associated with HOA. $60, $80 milligram. Oh, 2 to 6 to, okay. Lab work. Oh, actually, lab work, it should be less. Then there's, right? Then there's plasma. Then there's a donation. That blood donation, yeah, that's gonna be okay. So okay. So, if I sign, do I have to sign a medical lien?
Valid at line 76.
Oh, sorry.
Downtown LA, Grand and Venice.
Approaching Ramona Boulevard and Tyler Avenue. Approaching Ramona Boulevard and Valley Boulevard.
Hey. Can I speak to I think his name Raymond
Raymond.
or Romaris? Okay, hold on one second.
We have a Rego. Are you picking up your car today, or?
I want to. He told me your car's still here when you're gonna pick it up.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm here to check out the vehicle.
Sure thing. So just go through our double doors. See our front desk. They'll look up your information, and then they'll proceed from there. Okay.
Sure. Thank you. Oh, here it is. Reacher. Reacher's the name. Okay. Is Reacher available? Reacher.
You want to talk to him?
Yes.
Is it regarding the vehicle that you have here, an estimate?
Because I want to see what's underneath the when they take it apart. I want to see. He said there was a frame damage, so I want to
What's
check.
your phone number? This is going to be for the Mirai, right?
Yes.
Let me get them for you. If you want to have a seat, we do have coffee, water, and donuts. You're more than welcome to help yourself.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, they do have glazed donuts in the morning. It's tempting. Chocolate glaze. Let's try the chocolate glaze, man. Chocolate glaze. Looks good, man.
Have y'all looked at select houses yet?
Located in a tiny town, Young Creek Bungalow is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on the shores of Lake Martin with an asking price of $315,000. That leaves Katie and David just $5,000 for renovations.
I'm excited to show you guys this property. I already have a boathouse
That's
in
Rachel.
place. David, that was on your wish list. Nice lot.
Oh, shit. My bad.
Family.
Doesn't look like Richard.
I think that's a great idea. And if you did that, like you do, maybe like a little outdoor fireplace, built-in grill or something like that.
Wow,
This is really nicely done.
it's already got the gradient, kind of like that.
I just wonder, there's not a whole lot of room for us to get everybody in here.
We could possibly look at moving the wall out and widen it some, or maybe get the island like you like.
Yeah, if we could extend this out a little bit to give us some more room in here, that would be good.
Well, we'll update the stuff in the dishwasher.
The fireplace is beautiful, but I don't really envision a fireplace being in the dining area.
No, but if we move the wall out over,
Let's look at
we could put the dining over where the living room is now, and have the living room. Extend the rock all the way to the ceiling, I think, to give it a more finished look.
You know, I can see this area because of the size of it much better with just a rectangular table that fit everybody. I think it would make a lot of sense. It's just your kind of standard tub shower combo, and it's a little tight, but I think she said there's 2 bathrooms, so this would be the kids, I guess.
Good tub, good fixtures.
And good color, like the color a lot. Oh wow, this is nice. I can see this being great for the girls. And we could do, if we had to, we could do bunkbeds in here. But I really like how they got a hammock for the ceiling. That's a great idea for kids' rooms. Here's another bedroom. It's pretty small, but maybe this would be better for the girls because we don't need as much room for them. See what's across the hall.
How's Richard? I can't be on lunch. 11:07.
Guess this would be the master. Look at the pillow. Mom's making these. That's what
Hey, it's, you know, this is on the back of the house. What if we expanded this?
Standard on 21 models at no additional cost. This is the one that we're talking about.
Remember,
pre-collision system with the pedestrian detection. That's one to help you brake. They decide it for you. Doesn't matter like mistake or not mistake. You seen the person or you doesn't see the person. They brake it for you. Yeah. Oh, it's all good. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a SR. Oh, shit. Oh, this is an all electric. What is that one called? I always try to borrow some money through that lawyer, right? So they're hooking me up with this high interest loan. The amount they can borrow is $500, and then by the time you pay it back, it's $3,000 that you own them. 500 really can't do much for me right now. But then let alone you gotta pay back 6 times. What the fuck up, man? That's why I do. You have to think about it before you sign agreement with them. They don't give a shit once your car's gone, you're not able to repair your car, you can't get to work. They don't care none of that. They just care whether you can do the treatment they want you to do, or you're liable for all the treatment that you did in the past. That's what I got from my RE associate. Oh my God, you really got no choice. It's like everything's scorching you. See that older couple, all American, bought a house in Santa Clarita. I'm guessing it's like built recently. It's pretty new. 2,900 square feet. That's a pretty sizable home. They used to pay like $1,200 a year for the insurance for the house, and now they're paying like $4,000 a year, plus the $15,000 deductible. Anything involve fire or like natural disaster.
All right, let's go talk to our director, and then we can let him know when that moving on.
Okay.
How do you pronounce your first name? Is
A-N-G.
Just
A-N-G,
right?
yeah. So what would I need to speak to the director for? He gonna give me a better price to get it out, or?
That's what we're gonna see.
Okay.
If it's possible. Hi, Michael. This is Chow.
Oh, Chow.
Chow.
Oh, hi.
This is Michael.
Hey, how's it
Michael,
going?
nice to meet you.
My last name's Chow.
Oh, Chow. Nice to meet you, Chow. Okay. Yeah.
Go ahead, please have a seat, brother.
Okay.
Is that the... It's under Ang V?
Only, yeah. That's me. Yeah.
That's you? Okay.
Yeah.
How's everything going? Are you okay from the accident and everything?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, good,
yeah.
good.
I'm okay.
So how can we help you today?
So Richard told me that to get the vehicle out at this point is 11,000 and still accumulating.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a lot of money to. I don't think a full party insurance is gonna do anything, because they were telling the lawyer I hired they have a limitation.
Got it. So the person that hit you has a limitation?
Right, and I hit when he hit me, I hit the car in front. Right. Okay. So they were trying to see how much the repair cost for the other car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because anytime that they have like a limitation,
Uh-huh.
whatever they have, maybe 5,000 or 15,000,
Right.
it has to be enough to cover all parties.
Uh-huh.
So it has to cover your car, and it has
Yeah.
to cover the car in front of you that it hit too. If
No,
it's not enough to cover both cars,
Uh-huh.
then basically they kind of say, hey, we only have a limitation, 15,000. We're
Right.
going to split it. You know, we'll only give you 7,500 for you, and then 7,500 for the other
Is that
person.
what they normally say, the state minimum 1530? Is that what the 15 coming, or that's a bodily injury, 1530?
I believe that might be bodily injury because
Oh, the property damage is separate. Property damage is like 5,000.
That's separate, yeah.
Uh-huh.
So it could be 5,000, it could be 15,000,
Oh.
20,000. That just depends how much they bought for that
They-
liability insurance.
They need to raise that minimum.
They do.
Right? Recently, I noticed the bodily injury has become 30, 60.
Yeah, it's not fair to
Right.
a lot of us that have full coverage insurance that are paying regular premium,
Right.
to protect everybody.
Mhm.
But the people that have liability, it's unfair for us because if we ever get hit by them, you know, they're not covering the full amount because they don't have enough coverage. You know,
Right,
so
right.
it's not fair. And I agree with you, and I've been saying that for decades. It's not just recently, but
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
been like that for a very long time. Where liability,
Mhm.
just a small coverage, it's not even enough to cover if there's multiple car accidents. You know what I mean?
Right.
I get it, and you know, it's unfortunately that the law's made that way where people could buy liability and low coverage, but it's unfair to us, you know.
I talked to the case manager. She's saying the Progress is still waiting on the person I rear-ended to settle.
You have a buckle. There's a buckle here.
Uh-huh.
That's why it's moved.
Okay. What else? Does the front has a
No,
frame
this all
damage?
pertains to the back. Only the back.
Oh, only the back. Okay.
Yeah, we just. Front end. Because you have your front end damage as well, which is a bumper, all that stuff.
So it's not just replace the bumper and the signal light unit. It's
Yeah, I can
you
give
need to pull
I
it.
can give you a copy of the estimate. So
I do have
Take
it.
your pictures and then we can go back downstairs.
Okay.
If you need any more photos.
So you're saying if the insurance or either one of us is gonna claim it, you're gonna sell it to a lien company.
Well, we lien sell it, so yeah, they just come and pick it up. So we just have to.
How much you gonna lien sell it for?
I have no idea. I have no idea. So let's go downstairs, and then you can. I'll let you talk to the director to let him know that technically, you know, you're gonna.
Right. I mean,
basically
11,000
walk
is for sure. I can.
Yeah.
That the insurance might not even pay like 11,000 just for a total.
Yeah. That's
You
true.
know. Because this car right now, if you buy it pre-owned, it's probably like 11,000.
That's right.
But how you if you lien sell it, how they gonna withhold the title? Because Toyota Financial is still holding the title.
That's something that the office deals with. I just know that sometimes vehicles are here too long, and we don't hear back from the owner. They'll put a lien sale on it.
But Toyota Financial is the correct owner right now at this one. They hold the.
And they don't want the
pink
car either, correct?
Well, they were supposed to take it, but they had never took it. But if you guys gonna lien, I try to get in touch with the other insurance and the lawyer right now, but they're just stalling time right now.
Who is the other insurance company?
Progressive.
Oh, well, that Progressive. Yeah, they said there's a limits issue.
They send a reply saying that I was the one respond.
Responsible. Yeah. What's up, Saul? Come on, bud.
So you said in order to pull it, you need to replace that part of the bumper or the frame.
You have to replace the rear body panel. Yeah. Well, we have
So
to
you just
pre-pull
saw it. You have to saw it, and
Well, we
then
would drill it, cut it out. Hello, Heavy. Are you available to talk with our guest? Okay, I'm going to go and park and we're going to come in. I think I emailed everybody the auto number. Okay, thank you. Bye.
right, minimum, correct. I don't know how's the coverage on the injury. Huh? Oh, I have a liability on my vehicle. Oh, okay. Sorry. For sure. Okay. All right. Oh, the certain issues. Fire department. Oh no. So I search this whole row. I only see one, like this one, the red one. It's a hybrid LE. This is all XSE, SE. This one gave you 53 city, 46 highway. Oh, another LE hybrid, red. Nobody wants this color, I guess. This is a regular LE. Oh, but it has the alloy wheel on this. See, it's a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder. The gas is 32 city, 41 highway. But this one has a little more power than the hybrid version. It's got the CVT transmission on it. A 2.0 liter 4-cylinder dual overhead cam VVTi. And this is assembled in Japan. See that? JTD B4. Oh, it's got light color cross seats. Silver color. Not bad. Good old LE, you know. This is the car supposed to last you forever. And then of course the Camry XLE HEV. This is also a hybrid vehicle. Hybrid. Hybrid. And hybrid. All the option, man. All the option. There's a Bank of America right here. El Monte, downtown. All right, let's go home. They built a bunch of solar portals. Used to be an open parking lot right here. Health Center, El Monte. Comfort something Health Center. Oh shit, all those cables for solar, huh? Orange cables. Taxi, Queen Valley.
You remember that commercial?
Oh, Acura, Eastman, Integra. Oh, you're doing Uber Lyft all day on the Corolla. Sea Line Station via Whittier. No work. So now, I don't know. The other person have a very limitation on their liability insurance, you're screwed. Imagine the person in front of me hit another car. That's gonna be even worse. I don't know what to do, man. You want to continue the treatment, that's fine. But how, in the meantime, I don't have a vehicle, how do I work? Or make money, pay rent, pay. You expect me just like walk, take the bus? I don't know how. She don't have a solution. That's why she said somehow magically their alarm went off. Yeah, I think I know. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, thank you. Oh, they're charging this one. So this is electric. Why electric need a giant grill? I just don't understand this. Maybe it's a hybrid, plug-in hybrid. And the X450H Plus. Oh, okay. So hybrid plus. I explained the grill. Oh, there's a Honda CR-V right here. I'm wondering what year is this one. There's a special, they try to sell it for $27,888, 2023 Honda CR-V. Oh, it's a hybrid sport. Oh, nice. It's a 2.0 liter inline 4 dual overhead cam, 16 volt. Has an odometer. Oh my god, just like the Variety. So it's about the same mileage too. They're selling for $30,995, double the value of the Variety. It's a hybrid, it's a gas. This car sell like real easy to sell. So it's a dealer value priced. It says no lemon status, no branded title, no flood damage, no fire damage, no hail damage. That's your Carfax guarantee and auto check by Experian. Oh wow, how many owner? Should say one owner, right? 130 point inspection, Longo, Toyota Lexus, 6 months or 6,000 miles powertrain limited warranty. Oh wow, that's a peace of mind, right? Could get this car 31,000 basically. Oh, actually, they were marked 31,000, but their special is 28,000. Try to just get this car moving out of here. 28,000. Now it's Honda certified, but it's a CR-V hybrid. 2023. Good car. I don't like the newer body style. A little bit reminds you of the new Mazda CX-50 and CX-70 or CX-90. It's like a giant.
Okay, let's go look at
Oh, you store somewhere far?
Hop on in.
Okay.
So, what did your attorney say?
He said they're the limitation, 15,000 limitation. I tried to ask him to show proof. The limitation is 15,000, but they don't have proof. So they're waiting on the other guy to settle before they get to this car. But I told them they charging 180 a day.
Yeah.
I notified them long ago to get the car, but
Yeah.
we had the three-way on the phone with one of your guy. I thought that was taken care of at that point.
Yeah, because as of right now, Progressive says that they're not involved anymore. That you would need to pick up the vehicle and pay the fees.
Yeah, but I can pick it up. I just don't have the money to. Especially when you said it was 11,000 at this point.
Correct.
Yeah, I most definitely don't have that. And the lien holder is Toyota Financial.
Yeah. So, when did you stop paying on the vehicle?
Probably like 4 months after the issue with the hydrogen thing. Yeah. Oh, you guys stored it in the parking.
It's in the parking structure.
How'd you guys get it over here? Is it drivable or is it?
Yeah, it's drivable.
So what you guys might do with the vehicle if I not able to pick it up and
They would
insurance?
normally lien sell it.
Lien sell it?
Lien sell it, and a lien company will come and just pick it up.
Oh, you mean Toyota Financial?
Not Toyota Financial.
Uh-huh.
Somebody else.
Oh, you sell the lane to somebody.
Yeah, just lien sell it. Yeah. There it is.
Oh, here it is. Okay.
That's all the damage.
So the structure damage you were saying.
Damage, that's correct. You can take your photos as much as you like.
This is the
This is that's the rear body panel.
Oh, okay.
So in order to do that, we have to.
You need to replace this, or you need to
correct.
pull it?
Replace it.
Oh, replace it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Does normally they can like pull it with the pulley or
Well,
with the
to replace
frame
it,
machine?
we have to pull it and square it up,
Uh-huh.
and then replace it.
Oh, okay.
So the damage is basically here,
Uh-huh.
as well as here. There's frame damage. It's pushed in, so we have to put it on a frame machine and pull it out because your gaps are too close.
Doesn't look that severe just
Well,
from
see,
the outside. Uh-huh.
This right here, that's not normal.
Oh, this that it
Yeah,
cave
so
in.
this panel is
Uh-huh.
pushed forward.
Okay.
Push forward. That's
Push
why
forward.
this is in there. That's why it's like that.
And they can work with me. It's going to be 7,000 to get it out. Otherwise, it'll be sell it to. Okay. Okay. Right. Right. Uh-huh. Right. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Right, but right now, all this storage fee accumulate, and it's a Longo. It's a Longo Toyota Collision. Correct. Longo. Yeah. Yes, I took it here. Yes. The insurance suggests a couple body shop of their own, but I also have the choice, right? So I took it over here with their estimate. But then when they took the car apart, the way they estimate is there's frame damage from the back. Uh-huh. 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 I wasn't aware of that. Uh-huh. Yeah, I wasn't aware of that. Uh-huh. It's a commercial policy, you said? Right, but according to Tanya, she was handling the property damage portion on my claim. She said it was a limitation. Okay. Okay. It's $1 million policy, right? Okay. Uh-huh. Right. Yeah, because that's progressive. That's what Tanya means by limitation. I think it's most likely a liability. Oh, fuck. $270 now is every hour, dude. I look at their schedule. I was like, whoa, damn, every hour? I wonder what the weekend be like. Minutes to the next bus. Caught it. See, they keep falling off. regular our climate. Of course they do. I always been telling people protect the trees. You see how many people get injured, try to cut down in the branches. You think tree just like a non-living organism. No, they have a spirit of their own. You try to cut them, they're gonna hurt you. Don't do it unless it's absolutely necessary. $194 Pomona via valuable. AP district, okay.
Over here, sit down over here. Over here.
Oh. Q1 is 12:05 p.m. Thursday. Moose large. Or to see how much repair costs before it gets to me. I told her, didn't we do the three-way calling with one of your guy? I thought that was, after we did the three-way calling, they're gonna come pick up the vehicle. And then until Richard called me yesterday, I didn't know the car is still here. So that's really shocking,
Yeah.
So I feel like the lawyer that I hired doesn't care. They really focus on the injury portion. They're not worried about the. And he told me if no one come to get the car or pay the fee, that you guys gonna lien sell it to whoever wants to able to buy it.
So basically, usually on a total loss case, the insurance carrier will pick up the car, pay the fees, they pay you out whatever the vehicle's worth, they settle with you, right?
Yeah.
But on cases where people don't pick up the car and they leave it here, we can't leave it here. So basically, we have to pay and process paperwork for a lien sale.
But right now the lien holder is Toyota Financial.
Correct.
I still own a significant amount on the vehicle.
Yeah, because the insurance hasn't even settled out with you yet.
So
you're not even sure.
how can you guys sell it if Toyota still holds the title?
Basically, once we start like a lien sale process, they will reach out to the owner, which is going to be Toyota Financial. And they're going to tell Toyota Financial, like, hey, this vehicle is being lien sold. So Toyota Financial will either pay the fees and pick up the car, or they're just going to say, hey, well,
it's not worse for them to pick it up, and then they would just give up the title.
Yeah, it's a process, but then they would give up the title, and then we would have to lien sell it by taking it to auction.
Do you think they give it up, or they might sell the title to someone who willing to pay the fee to get it out?
Toyota Financial, no.
No, they're not going to sell the title.
No. So they'll either pay the fee, get it out, auction it themselves, or they would say, hey, no, not going to take it. Then we pay the fees, get the title, and then we would take it to auction. Whatever we get from it, we get from it.
So the full party insurance get away not paying?
Unfortunately, if they have liability.
No, I don't know what kind of policy they have. I was trying to get the lawyer to show me the 15,000.
If it's limitations, then most likely they have liability.
Oh, only liability.
Yeah, because most full coverage insurers have higher coverage than that.
Okay.
And your damages, they hit you pretty good. That's why I asked you if you're okay. It looks like you got rear end and pushed the car in front, right?
Yeah. So I feel like she was going 30 at max before she ran into me. My car is still, so I didn't know that was significant like damage in the on the inside where Richard just showed me. There was like a, I don't know. That's supposed to be the
structural part. Inside?
Yeah, structural part, or is it after the accident it became like a little, like a wave type of shape.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, it's from the impact.
It's from the impact.
From looking at your car when your car arrived, I can tell you got hit pretty good. These cars are built so well nowadays that the person on board, you don't feel too much. Right. You will feel it, but you won't feel too much. Right. So back in the days, how the car was built, a lot of steel.
Yeah.
Not too much crumple zones. Like nowadays, all these cars are built with these crumple zones.
Right.
Where the car absorbs the damage versus the person on board.
Right.
So even if you get hit pretty hard nowadays, right, the person on board, you won't feel like, you might have said, hey, the person hit me 30 miles per hour, but it could have been more than that. They could have been going 50, right? But it's just what you're feeling is what you're kind of judging it by.
Right.
The car got hit pretty good, but the car held up real well. Right?
Yeah, but I definitely didn't hear any braking. It just full.
Full on.
So
maybe on the phone or something. But yeah, you know, from seeing how your trunk is fully smashed in like that, and the damages on your bumper, of course you're gonna have some damages behind.
Right.
From the experience that we have, we've been in the industry for a very long time, right? This is stuff we look at every day. From an impact like that, it's the there's gonna be movement inside, right? So it's not just your exterior end, but the inside it got smashed in. So anything that's behind that, right, is gonna have some damage. You know.
So it can't be just hook up to a frame machine and just kind of pull it. It has to be changed, that frame, or cut it out and weld it.
It needs to be pulled.
It needs to be pulled, right?
It needs to be pulled. It needs to be squared, right? Because how it works on a car, anytime that you have any structural damage inside, right, there's movements.
Right.
So even right now, if you don't pull it and square it to zero tolerance to what the factory is, you can put a bunch of brand new parts on there, and you're gonna have gaps everywhere. Nothing's gonna sit right. So first thing first is you gotta pull it and square it back to the factory specs. Once you square it to factory specs, then you start repairing or replacing parts, and then everything will fit perfect. You know.
Right. But I feel like 25,000. That's like really high to repair something like that. You know, I think car worse damage than this, they get it repaired like maybe 10. You know, and first time when they did the estimate by the Progressive, they were giving like 4,000 something. And then I saw you guys see the estimate was like close to 6,000. I thought, oh, maybe there's just 2,000 difference. But then I see the update was going all the way to 25,000. I was really shocked. You know, that was, so how is that going from 5,000 to 25,000? That's like jump 5 times.
Well, one thing is when Progressive looks at the car or any insurance carrier, the first initial estimate, they're gonna
maybe because the labor costs that you guys, you know,
no, it's labor and parts.
Labor and parts.
Labor, parts, paint materials. Right?
Okay.
But anytime the insurance company looks at the car, they're always going to write just a simple estimate.
Right.
Simple estimate, right?
Once you take it apart, they maybe uncover some damage.
If we would have wrote that initial estimate, it would have came out more than 4,000. Because right now, from what I can see on your car, like when the car first came in, with the damages on the rear and damages on the front, I could already see close to $10,000 before we even took it apart. So the insurance company usually they just write a bare basic estimate when they initially look at the car. But if they would write an accurate bare estimate, it would be more than double that. You know, so let me see what Progressive's estimate looked like. Okay, so the Progressive originally wrote an estimate for $3,633, correct?
Yeah.
And that estimate that they wrote for you,
it's based on the outside, based on the
bare,
cosmetic.
Bare bottom estimate. It basically had to replace the front bumper, outer cover, the license plate bracket, to replace the trunk, and the rear bumper cover. That's it. So on the front bumper, you have other parts that are connected to it that are damaged as well. The rear bumper, there's multiple parts on the rear bumper that's damaged as well, but they just wrote a bare estimate: front bumper, rear bumper, and just the trunk. Like your trunk as well. When it came in, you see how the whole thing smashed in. Tail light. All these parts don't come with the trunk, right? These parts are damaged as well, right?
Yeah.
So if they would have wrote those parts on that initial estimate, it would have been double of that, you know. So they wrote just a very basic initial estimate, right?
Well, I seen Tesla has worse damage. They were probably like somewhere around 20,000. So I think this can be higher than Tesla. That's I don't know. It's kind of.
It all just depends on.
It all depends, right?
On the impact of the car, you know. So every car.
So at this point, I can't even take the car out to get a second opinion because, you know, 11,000 to get it out. I don't have the money to you know, and the other insurance probably not gonna pay because if they're gonna pay to get it out, you know, like the money is not going to Toyota Financial. It's going to you guys, you know.
Well, and they can't do that.
They can't do it. Right?
They wouldn't even pay us out because if there's a limitation.
Oh, they don't pay the total?
Because if the person that hit you had full coverage, yes. If they had enough coverage, they would pay out Toyota Financial, and they would pay us for the storage, and they would pick up the car, and they would go auction it off.
Oh, okay.
But in this case here, if they only have a $15,000 limit, I don't know how much you still owe your balances with TFS.
Oh, I own like 46. I only made like 3 or 4 payment. I figured they might take the vehicle.
Oh.
But then they never, cause probably cost them more to store it to.
Did you buy it new or used?
Brand new.
You bought it brand new, and
Yeah.
right now you owe 46.
Because I brought one from you guys, the first generation, and then I trade that one for that one.
Okay.
You know, I roll in the deep because I was gonna get a gas vehicle, but then I figured that car lose so much value.
Yeah.
So I traded in for this one.
Got it.
But it's in Glendale, Toyota.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
So.
So you owe 4,600 left.
46,000.
46,000.
Yeah, because I bought it. I only make about 3 or 4 payments total. I remember, because the payments really like I didn't know that was close to $700 payment.
But it's a 2023.
Yeah, I bought it in November 3rd, 2023.
So you made more than 3 or 4 payments.
Or maybe.
Because that's a couple years already. That's.
Yeah, but they never took the car. They were supposed to take it. They never repoed it, you know. So that's why I just kept on driving. But then the registration on the vehicle is getting really high too. It's like $1,000 a year just to.
Yeah, because it goes off of the vehicle value.
Yeah.
When you first bought it, right?
It's higher than Tesla. I was like, oh man, this registration is like, oh. And then after you using the 15,000 fuel card, you know, the cost of the hydrogen.
It's expensive.
So it's everything's double up on me, you know.
I had a Mirai as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a Mirai as well, so I know I totally understand. You live in Alhambra, so you fuel up in Pasadena?
I used to fill up Pasadena. Right now, I moved to Rosemead. So,
okay.
Yeah.
So now you go to where, Balboa Park, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's so the attorney's not giving you much information.
Yeah, they don't do very well with the communication. You know.
Well, yeah, and sometimes it kind of holds up the process when you have an attorney because the insurance company usually would talk to you.
Right.
Once you have an attorney representing you, they can't talk to you, and now it's up to the attorney to deal with the insurance, right?
Yeah, but
sometimes if they don't respond and they take a while and they drag the process, and the attorney at the end of the day usually too, like on this case here, it's a paralegal attorney. They're focused on injury. Yeah, on the injury portion. The collision side, they don't really have no control. They won't.
Right.
You know, too much.
So, if
it went through Progressive.
Progressive
was the one that came and inspected the car.
They replied yesterday to Richard saying that customer are responsible to get the car out. So basically,
in your case, probably if there's a limitation.
Limitation,
you know? Yeah. If there's a limitation and they probably don't even have enough for your payout for TFS. If you owe 46,000,
right.
they probably don't have enough to pay on that. And,
The gentleman in front of me, he was driving Uber. There's a passenger inside. He did through the Hertz and Uber program. It was a rental from Hertz, he told me.
Hertz.
Yeah, Hertz, yeah. So
so they have to take that car in consideration too, which is going to cost more. So it just depends on their coverage.
So we know now that if it's Progressive not take responsibility, I don't have the money to get it out.
You don't have insurance?
I did have Geico, but
you did, but not.
But Geico, yeah, Geico. I only have a liability on it.
Really?
Yeah, that's why Geico is only they're not stepping in, because if I had a full coverage of Geico, but full coverage with this car, I was paying Toyota. I was paying Toyota insurance at one point for like $320 a month for full coverage.
Yeah.
That's only with $100 deductible on collision.
Okay.
But then I feel like that's every month I'm paying more than $300 on the insurance. I canceled it. I changed to Geico for liability only.
Yeah.
That's, and then this accident happened, and
bad timing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very important to always have full coverage.
Yeah, it's always Yeah.
Because now you're stuck in that predicament where if the other insurance company doesn't pay,
right,
and you're out of pocket. Let's just say, for instance, if they said, hey, you still owe this amount or something. The only other choice you have is to take him to court under small claims or whatnot, but that's gonna be a lot of time that you're spending.
If the person don't have any money, she was gonna run, but then I got her with the.
She was gonna run.
Yeah, because we were gonna go out of that was happening on 110. The exit is like right by the convention center.
Okay.
So we were taking the exit, and she took off first. I thought she was gonna exit, and she just left. So I got her license plate. That's how I get her insurance.
Oh,
yeah,
got it.
Yeah.
But she was taking off.
She was taking off. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. She was gonna run.
Did she say why or anything, or apologize to you, or?
No, she came out, take a look at everybody. I should have got her license at that time. At that point, yeah.
License?
Yeah. I was a little overwhelmed because this car, they triggered the safety call.
Yes.
Right? It's like OnStar
Safety
type.
Connect.
Yeah, Safety Connect. Yeah. So then that person was calling 911. So we were like three-way calling the whole time. So I was a little busy, so I didn't get her information.
Got it. And you wouldn't think she would leave or anything. That's right. Yeah. Do you want to keep the car? I can work with you on the price to get the car out. But do you want to do that?
But if I keep the car, I still have to repair it, right? I can't drive it like. I have to have some money to.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, if you keep the car, you still got to get it repaired.
If I would take that car to their body shop, right? Their choice of body shop, would that make a difference if they repair based on their estimate?
They probably still would have. It probably would have been unfortunately a total loss because unfortunately these Mirais don't hold up a high value.
Oh yeah, that's true.
They don't hold up a high value.
Yeah, because the hydrogen fuel thing.
Yeah, like right now, I think we're selling them used certified for like $15,000 with no mileage. So the problem is like the value is not all there. So these vehicles,
I mean, if I take it out, somehow fix it, even then, the registration and then the price of the hydrogen is still, those still money pit, because they recently dropped the price at Baldwin Park from $36 to $25.99.
Oh, that's a huge difference.
A kilogram, yeah.
Yeah, that's a huge difference. That's good.
They did drop the
that's good.
per kilogram.
Yeah, it went up so high, and everybody was like, "Hey, it's really costly now for hydrogen." But if they drop that, that's a good sign.
Yeah. They drop it, but.
And what was Progressive stance, Richard? So it's liability. They don't have enough coverage.
On Progressive, it's basically limited coverage.
Okay.
So taking care of everybody, and pretty much they walked away from it.
You can't sue them legally because the limitation, because
you can personally.
Oh, I can personally take the small claim court. Oh, okay.
Yeah, personally you can.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, yeah. And right now at the moment, so they haven't offered you a payout yet, right?
No.
Okay.
I didn't know this whole time the car just sitting here. I saw last time with the three-way calling, they finally gonna get it and give it to Progressive. So if I can get in, you guys are just gonna sell to a lien holder, a lien.
Yeah.
Whoever wanted to pay for it to get to. But they will want to bargain, right? Because they don't want to pay 11,000 to take in and to.
No, they won't.
They won't pay that. Okay.
They won't pay that.
Okay.
Usually when we lien it, we have to pay for a processing fee. And then once the processing fee, they work with the DMV and everything and get the title to us.
Right.
Once we have the title, we pretty much just take it to auction.
to
So
the
it
auction.
goes to the auction, people bid for it, they might pay 5,000 or 8,000 or whatever it is. Whatever we get from it, it's just to recover back, you know.
So instead of me take this car out, it's better for me just to buy another Mirai, like that, right? Because you said the used Mirai is so cheap.
Yeah. But the financing part, if you haven't made your payments for so long, I don't know if TFS is gonna finance.
That's gonna affect my credit. Yeah, it's gonna affect my credit.
Yeah.
Unless I pay it cash.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. Is there a way I can work with another body shop? They can come get it and fix it. But that's
all up to you. You have to pay the fee first and get the car out.
Oh.
So once you get the car, you can take it wherever you want.
Okay.
And just be careful because it's a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. I know
there's a tank.
Well, there's a ton of shops out there that will fix anything, right? But
they don't know how to work on it, right? It's a little bit different than the commercial.
So we're a certified Mirai repair facility.
Right.
There's even customers from San Diego that bring their cars to me to get it fixed.
Oh,
right? Because if they reach out to Toyota's and say, hey, you need to take it to a certified Mirai collision repair center. So I get some of them towing in from San Diego that will repair that. Because there's not too many certified shops. Yeah, there's a bunch of shops out there you can take if you're paying cash or whatever it is. Anybody will fix it, you know.
Well, even the Progressive, their insurer has full coverage. They wouldn't pay to repair it. They would just total loss the car. They would just
correct,
right? Because 25,000, they're not gonna. They're just gonna. It's because it's over almost double the value rate. I would say 10,000 more than the actual value.
So I don't know.
Value.
They probably value the car maybe at 20, let's just say.
Yeah.
But the thing is too, taking consideration, if you owe 46,000, they have to pay off the car.
No, they just pay off whatever the market value, and then Toyota still have to try to get the difference from me.
Yeah.
But because there is an ongoing lawsuit about the hydrogen vehicles, so that's why Toyota is not right now. They're not really going after some of the the customer who bought a Mirai. Otherwise they would have just take the car. They would have repossessed the car long ago.
Yeah.
Okay, let me talk to the lawyer, see, because I definitely don't have. Well, what's the best price you can to get it out right now?
So the R&I, Richard, you already cut it in half, right? That's the bottom line, the bottom where you're half the time.
I believe it.
Negative 6.6.
Yes.
6.6. Oh, 6,000.
That's just half the time.
Half of the time the.
Take it apart.
Oh, take it apart. Oh, I see.
Let's see here what I can do. So Progressive for sure said they're not picking it up, right?
They're not picking it up. He emailed us and told us it's all on him.
So I can't sue Progressive. I can sue their policyholder. Oh.
Personally, yeah. Yeah, I'll drop it like almost half for you. So $6,095.
Oh, it's like 7,000. Take it.
$6,095.
6,900.
About 6,000 basically.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the thing is like, yeah, you can drive it like that, but it doesn't look right.
Yeah, it does look right.
Face, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you can't drive a rat car. Yeah. Okay. Let me go home, think about it. How long you guys can auction it off? Like,
Well, the
Like,
car's been here for some time already.
you might.
If you can think about it and get back to us by the end of the day, would be great.
Or you guys can. Oh no, but I was thinking you guys can fix it and resell it like your pre-owned.
No.
No, it's not. Oh, okay. Once it's wrecked, it's not certified no more. You can't certify it.
Well, it's not that you can't certify it. It just depends on how many panels are getting repaired and repainted, and yeah, it's usually if the car gets abandoned here, we'll go ahead and lien sell it, get the title, and we'll just take it straight to the auction. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.
All right, brother.
Thanks, Michael.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, we'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
All right. You too. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay. Let me get one more donut for the road. Get the glazed one. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see. That's for the body injury claim, right? For the. Oh, okay. Right. So you're saying I have to continue the treatment, otherwise I'll be financially liable for the lien. Correct. But right now what the problem comes in is when there's a limitation on the coverage for collision. So I lost the car basically. Today I was at the collision repair right now, and they told me to get the vehicle out is going to cost $11,000. And I thought parties Progressive is not gonna responsible. They said the customer right now is responsible to get the vehicle out. And they say if I can't get right. So basically I'm out of the car because even I can get it out, I can't repair it. I can't drive the car with damage. So I can't make money to continue the treatment with you guys. You know. Right, but they not claiming the vehicle. No, I do not have gap insurance. The body shop right now they said to get the car out it costs $11,000. Longer, flatter, like you stretch it, like sideways, and CX singlet. Corvette. There's a Yoshinoya. I had a special bowl. Was that $6 bowl? Only limit to beef and chicken, teriyaki chicken. Yoshinoya Japanese kitchen. You could get a $16.99 2 large bowls. $17. It's like $8.50 each, right? Limit time only. It's still limited to a beef bowl and teriyaki grilled chicken. When it comes to living, man, you really don't have much choice now. You see how Tesla just came out with this new rule. On their final limit edition, Model X, Model S, there's a $50,000 fine if you try to resell it in the first year. And you had to pay about $160,000, $155,000 or $158,000 standard price on these. They're limited to what? 300. The final assemble limited edition Model X, Model S. After that, the Fremont factory is going to move into autonomous, like robot making. So no more Model X, Model S. Of course, these cars are came standard with the self-driving, supervised self-driving, and free charging, lifetime free charging, and the 6 months of premium connectivity or something. a prologue. Damn, they got like all Apple iMac. It's a great upgrading. So we also got bottled water, soda. And then they got a new coffee machines. Damn, I like it, dude. Look at the coffee beans. Dark roast, medium, decaf. Awesome. No wonder it's a Lexus. Different level, huh? Let's see what it is. Manzanita, salt, apple juice. Oh, these are apple juice. Get a breeze tea. Right. So this portion. Let me check out all these Lexus. Check out all this. It's the LX 460 or 570. Oh man, look at the giant grill, dude. Huge. Too much, man. Yeah. Oh shit. This has self-closing. Oh, it does have self-closing. I like that. This kind of door does need self-closing. There you go. Oh, LX 600. It's cool. Let's get out of here. Oh, Jumbo Juice is closed. Oh, no, they're still here. Planet Fitness still here. It's a substation electricity. Probably Edison substation. Oh, Monte Honda, CarPro Honda. This one, courtesy vehicle. Honda El Monte. Monty only $6 regular bowl. Wow. You got teriyaki chicken and Yangdong beef only. So either teriyaki chicken or Yangdong beef for $6 a bowl. So such easier access. Just walk right in. Lango Lexus. They're looking at the pre-owned LS 460, I think. No, there's an LS 460. LX 460. Or 550, damn. Well, there's a lot of pre-owned ones sitting right here. There's an IS right here. Take a quick look at this one. Oh shit, this is the F Sport. It's got red caliber and everything. Brand spanking new F3, oh, it's 350 F Sport. It's got the 6-cylinder engine, 311 horsepower, 8-speed automatic transmission. Wow. IS 350 F Sport. It's got everything new, fully loaded. What they call it, fully loaded. It's even got like a clear bra in the front. Pre-installed clear bra. A Monte Police, what? courtesy and service. All right, let's go check it out. Now, responsibility shifting back to me. Responsibility now shifting back to me for the vehicle. So I'm gonna go check it out. How do I? Or is it possible to get my car out without paying the? They're charging like $3,000 to $4,000 now. Just get the car out. It's like a entrapment, dude. As soon as you come in, they make you sign a thing that the disassemble fee is going to be $1,200. So if it's the price is too high, your insurance refuses to repair, then you're stuck. So we're gonna go in.
Approaching Sally and lowering to Gill. Approaching Sally and Temple City. Approaching Valley and Roland, followed by Valley and Baldwin. Stop requested. Please use rear exit. Your safety is our top priority. Report any issues by using the LA Metro Transit Watch app. If you see something, say something.
Su seguridad es nuestra primera prioridad. Infórmenos de cualquier problema usando la aplicación LA Metro Transit Watch. Si ve algo, diga algo.
Approaching Valley and Gibson. Approaching Valley and RD. Approaching Maine and Santa Anita. Stop requested. Please use rear exit. Your safety is our top priority. Report any issues by using the LA Metro Transit Watch app. If you see something, say something.
Su seguridad es nuestra primera prioridad. Infórmenos de cualquier problema usando la aplicación LA Metro Transit Watch. Si ve algo, diga algo.
Approaching Santa Anita and Ramona.
Thank you.
El Monte Station.
Warranty.
They switch a living area and the dining area, but there's a lot of cosmetic choices that I keep the same way, which is a good.
This time, this thing like accurate at time, but fell at the others.
Okay, well, I have others for you guys to look at, so let's head on down to Jackson's Gap and look at a few more properties.
There's several times I make that decision. I was like, oh, wasn't aware. It just slam on it, slam on the brake on it. You know, she just run out to grab her address and come back. Let's see. This guy become concierge. This is the SE version of the Prius. Oh, here it is. Richard, hi. Can we go take a look at the? You say you could show me what's.
Yes. Let me find out the location of the vehicle and I'll take you over there.
Okay. You said right now it's 180 a day.
As of right now, the charges is $11,000 to pick up the vehicle.
11,000.
11,000. That's
Yesterday you told me 3,000 to 4,000.
That was a rough estimate because I didn't get the calculation. So it's $11,000 for the disassembly, the labor fee.
The disassemble is 1,200, right? When I signed the document, I saw it was $1,200, $1,200.
Well, it's a combination. So basically, if you can answer me with a yes or no answer, are you planning to pick up today?
No, I don't have 12,000,
Okay.
but I can pick it up.
You can pick it up today.
I mean, I don't have the money, but I can pick it up. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. I mean, I could talk to, but you would want to tow it out of here, correct? Because that's how it'd be.
Oh, to tow it out?
It has to be towed out. The vehicle is
In pieces?
Yes.
What about the body, the main body attached?
It's all smashed up. I'm going to show you all that, but if you're planning to pick it up, it would have to be towed out of here.
When I drove it
find
here.
out. I know you drove it in here, but for us to do the assessment, you have to take it completely apart. So let me find out where it's at and go ahead and have a seat, okay? I'll be right back for you.
Okay.
getting away from it. Here we are, kids. You unplug, you get out in nature. Look, put your hand here, grab the string, flip it down, turn the string loose. There you go. Good job.
Seeing your kids.
$11,000. Just I thought three to 4,000 is ridiculous enough. He said it's gonna be 11,000 to get it out. Holding the car for ransom, man. I don't even like these kind. Flood or something. That's crazy, dude. They said just the insurance alone they're not able to afford, make payments on the house, let alone the payments, all the other costs involve owning a home. They're baby boomer, they're the older generation that everything affordable when in their prime time. Now everything's unaffordable. That's why I say no country for old men. What are you supposed to do to afford all this fucking high cost living? Sue somebody or commit crime, burglaries all day. You see, LAPD can't even handle right now the amount of crime. But that's only two things you could do now. See, right now people already know crime back to back. The age group going through 12, 13, 14 years old. I seen them going in groups. I'm not saying this is the right thing to do. It's the only thing to do now. How are you able to afford anything anymore? Think about it. Look at this car thing. I know even I took that person to personal court, they won't do much because she don't have any money. But why would you insure someone like that? Don't even pay attention when you're driving. Fucking ram me at 40 miles per hour. The 76 is about to come out. I'm gonna take that one. Oh, this is a 26 footer, 25 footer, or 20 footer. Definitely longer than 20 footer. This is the biggest U-Haul you could get. You must have a lot of shit to move around. And the storage unit is gouching you too. They called me on the very first day the car not able to run. Called me like early this morning saying, I checked how much was the price. I checked with her how much. So from $87 at A1, it jumped to $300. It jumps up about 4 times. That's why they always lure you in with a lower price. Once you put all your stuff in there, it's hard to get it out, and then they quadruple up on you. If you can't pay, they auction off all your belongings. Simple as that. Everything's like a time bomb, and they're here to gouge you. So my question is, you don't commit crime, what are you supposed to do to pay all those bills? That's my fucking question. And teenagers, their parents can't do much for them, you know. They barely struggle to pay bills. So they all on their own. So what they do, they go out, commit crime together.